It is day 12 now. I'm just getting back from my trip. I've been able to go dry my tent off now, so that's nice and fresh. The tent was frozen when I woke up this morning in the Peak District, but it's all dry now, ready for another night. I think it's going to be a dry night tonight. Plus I'll have my tarp over it today, so keep it nice and warm. Feels good to be home. I never get the wild camping blues anymore like I used to. I hate when I have to finish and come home back to a house, but now it's just back here, back to nature where I love. Just set up my tent now for the evening. It's looking so much better than it was. Nice and dry. Put the guy ropes on in a minute. Thanks Tree for being my coat hook for now. Yeah, I'm just gonna have a nice relaxing evening. I've got work tomorrow. Gonna have a nice chili con carne to warm me up later, although it's pretty warm anyway right now. It was a little cold this morning, but it was really nice. Beautiful sunset, beautiful sunrise. Now I'm back in my little den. Yeah, I'm just gonna have a relaxing one tonight. Get some yoga and stretching on the go. And that's about it really. The time is chilly o'clock. I've learnt from last time in my last video to turn the gas down because you probably couldn't hear me talking when I was cooking the first time. Can't really do the video, I know, I've got legs. Hands free. I will eventually buy a little camera holder. But you know what? I'll just get around to everything eventually. Do things in my own time, at my own pace. Don't rush through life. Enjoy every second. And this chili is smelling amazing right now. So much better than the stew I had. Even though it tasted nice, it did not smell nice. Ah, I've got hot sauces in my car. That would have been perfect for this. Are we ready in a few seconds since I've just put it on? I love this life. I'm sure many people love it going wild camping, but living it is so different, such a different feeling. Getting to come home to this every day. So successful, day 12, and everyone's been amazing. I always look forward to my adventures when I've got a couple of days off from work, or even a day, because I can finish early. I can just go straight from work to my destination, wherever that will be. Definitely feeling the New Forest on Tuesday, or if I finish early enough on Monday, I'll get down there for Monday. I have 2 days there. It's been a while since I've been there. There have been fireworks going off all night. You must have heard the good news that Chester got some Jamiroquai tickets for next year. Can't wait to see him. It's going to be such a fun night. He's so funky. It's just going to be dancing constantly. A good end to day 12. Good night. Welcome to day 13. Lucky for some, I've got myself a guest. My first guest in my house. Freddie in the house.
Hello.
We're having steak tonight. Got out the awesome frying pan for it. First time using it. He's got his little... You got everything. You got all the gizmos and gadgets you need.
I've gone a bit mad recently.
He's prepared. But that's how this day's going. Best dinner of the time I've been out here, I think.
Gotta be right.
Definitely. Good morning. We're on day 14 now. Just on my way to work, so I've got to go through these lovely woodlands. I always see a bunch of rabbits run across the floor. Moon today though. I should be seeing my friend after work. Going in mushroom picking again. Not had a chance to recently. It was very nice to have Freddie over yesterday. He's still asleep at the minute. He'll make his way back later. I've left my tent up just in case I get back late, so it's easier for me to just get in. We've arrived at the field and look what we have found. Some tasty Liberty Caps that I'm not going to pick because someone told me a little tip. I'm just going to observe them and they might disappear when I turn this camera off.